like it when people make us feel important. But do we reciprocate? Do we make other people feel important? Often the conversation is what we want to talk about, what we're interested in, how incredible we are. And for the person who's listening, well, that may not be so exciting or interesting. But what about if we can recognize people, see something in what they're doing, and then express our appreciation for it, make a note of how important it is, particularly in work. Often people are in jobs where they feel their contribution makes no difference to anything. Sort of, not going anywhere with their career, not going anywhere with their job. No one appreciates them, no one recognizes them. This is our job, though, particularly if you're a leader, to tell people, wow, we really appreciate you. What you're doing is important. You are an important person around here. Now, it cannot be manipulation and flattery because people are not stupid. Don't think that. It's got to be genuine. It's got to be genuine, that you really think that what they're doing is important, they are important, and you express it. Now, often we might think all these things, but we forget to tell them. Tell them. Tell them they're important, tell them why they're important, and do it in a very sincere manner.